Hey guys, this is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to this channel, and if you're new here, please check out the videos, and if you do like it, please subscribe. And if you're already my subscriber, welcome back guys. I truly appreciate you. And today I will be talking about something that I'm going to be putting in my Toyota Tacoma, which I have coined Hardshell Taco, but this can actually work on many other vehicles. It doesn't have to be a truck. And the product I'm talking about is by Wilson Electronics, Weboost. This is the Drive Reach product. It is just a brand new product that just came out. Weboost has been out for some time, but this is, again, a brand new model called the Drive Reach. And the point of this product is to help you with better data and voice when you're off somewhere where you have a weaker signal. It doesn't have to be just off-roading, but it could be anywhere. But my experience is we went to Joshua Tree and we had such a weak signal, we couldn't do anything. There's no way to call. If the call was coming through, it would be very staticky, very weak, very hard to hear. And that's important if you're having some sort of emergency to communicate well. Obviously, I like to have the internet so I could check out Instagram and YouTube. But, you know, having phone service is important. Now, just to let you know, this is a booster. So if you have zero signal, don't expect this to work. But if you have a weak signal, this is going to improve it by a bunch. And that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to install this guy. This is a portable unit. This doesn't have to be stationary in one vehicle. And I want to show you how easy it is to hook up. And we're going to do some testing just to show you guys and to show myself that this works, because I want to be somewhere and I want to test something and use something that does work. That's just the way I do things. All right, so let's go for it. All right, let's check out the contents of the box. So let me get this straight first so you guys can see it. So again, it's a vehicle cell booster kit, but it looks pretty simple. So let's check it out. It's gonna be harder one-handed, but I'm gonna try to figure out what I can do here. So it says here, contact if you got a problem. Installation guide, take a photo, send it in. Oh, the register, that's kind of cool. So let's see what we got. Protect your product. Blah blah. Oh, it's got steps, so that's kind of good. Step 1, install antenna. So that's step 1. There's step 3 and 4. It says connect coax cables from outside antenna and inside antenna to booster. Okay. Where's number 2? I must be missing number 2. Number 2, let's get this out. So it's got little Velcro here already, so you could just slap it on probably to your seat, underneath your seat. Inside antenna, outside antenna. Okay, I can do that. That'll be work. I'm gonna guess that's power right there. I get it. So let's pull this out. Adhesive disc. Use the outside antenna to top of aluminum vehicles. Do not use antenna or magnetize. So if you have an aluminum vehicle, like a DeLorean, there you go. So, okay, step 5. Connect the power adapter. Okay, I can do this. 5 steps. Here's step 2. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Identify a place to mount the vehicle antenna, either on the side of the seat or the dash. So this is the inside antenna. So what it is that, let's see if I do this right. You have this outside antenna that's going to help pick up or transmit the current cell phone broadcast, which goes into this guy. This guy comes out and will do his communication with the internal antenna. This is a little bit heavy to be a travel size unit, but I can see it being a family thing. If you're going on a family trip and saying, hey, we're going to borrow something, or even a fishing boat or something like that, you can have this. So let's just hook this up. Hook up this unit, the main unit, and it's got the heat sink. It's pretty good jit here. Got like straps too. Let's see, does that pop off? Oh, that pops off too. So that could be mounted. It could be wall mounted. stuck in there. So again, it's not just a internal or a mobile device. That's cool. Booster and bracket, outside antenna, magnetic. Near the center of the roof is good. 12 inches away from other antennas. 12 inches away from any windows, including sunroofs. So it actually wants it away from the window here. So it's magnetic. Let's confirm this. Whoa! You hear that? That thing is pretty magnetized. Let's get through some steps here. Look at that. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's basically a cigarette lighter and a plug. I'm putting it right here only as a temporary spot because I want to make this portable. So I think this is pretty cool. And then I could just run my power right here. I'm gonna run this later. Sorry for the mess. I just kind of want to do more of a test thing. I'll run it down the roof line here, right by the door, maybe down here, and then close it with a seal. Again, temporarily. If I want to make this permanent, I probably would want a different antenna. But let's just do this for testing purposes. I'm just gonna find a cool spot right there, just for now. Let's bring it up here so you can see. It's just temporary right there. I just want to make it semi-pretty. I can actually bring it down the windowsill here so it wouldn't look so bad. Check it out. See, actually you could bring it down this windowsill, see? The secret. Look at that. You wouldn't even know. Bring it through here. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, no, can't even tell. This right there is the only spot you can tell, but I could fix that. But yeah, that actually looks pretty good. Let's just leave it like that temporarily. And I can bring this here. So if I wanted to, I could bring it here, and then again, this is only temporary, so let me just kind of jam it here. Let's make sure it's not going to pinch anything. I don't think it's going to pinch anything. Alright, and then I'll bring this wire just through the kick panel here, kind of push it through. I could bring it on top here, or I could go put it underneath the mat. So let's do that. I'm going to stick it underneath the mat. That way my son or anybody can't kick it by accident. Plug in the outside antenna. We can fold it so you guys can see. It's the outside antenna. Clicks. Power's right here. I can clean this up a little bit too. Stick it in here. Again, or actually you can go underneath the seat, out the way. So that way it's not going to block anything. What else are we going to do? So antenna's on, step one, outside antenna, inside antenna. And that's the last thing we got to do. It's got some cleaning pads, sticky stuff, Velcro, so you can make it permanent or temporary. Mounting side, so make sure you're on the mounting side. So I can use some sticky tape here to mount that. So now I gotta run this one to the internal antenna. Just clicks. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm actually gonna use this this thing that I got. That's kind of cool. What's cool is I got this Molly panel by Victory 4x4, and I could start to modify this wiring or something with Velcro. I could do Velcro in here. Internal antennas there. I wired it there to the brain, powered here. Here's the USB power switch. The other antenna, I kind of ran it down here, up here, through the fender, all the way up to the roof there. So that's how it's set up. Gotta get my key in here. Get the ignition, make sure the radio is off. So that has power. Okay, so if you see that, look at that. Let me get the antenna up, zoom. So when I pushed it, it's red, so I'm gonna assume it's doing its thing. And when it's not, so that'll be my test right there to show you guys what it's doing. All right, guys, I am back in the truck and I'm ready to test out the signal strength thing. I found a program that has nothing to do with Wilson Electronics or Weboost to show the strength difference on this. I'm not an engineer or anything, but I'm going to show it to you. Let me flip it around here. So if you look here, there's an app called Network Cell Info, and it's showing, I'm a T-Mobile user, and it's showing this 89 dB strength on it, and I think everything is negative. You can see here it's 50 negative, so the lower the number, the weaker the number, it ends up being a bigger number, a bigger negative versus a positive. So there's no positive number, they're all negative, so negative 50 is way over here. So just trying to explain what it looks like. It's showing the band. I'm not sure what this is for Wi-Fi, nothing to do with my stuff. There's no Wi-Fi here, or a very weak signal. So we know that we are on my data plan, 4G up there. So let's check it out. It is hooked up. That means it has power. Let me flip it over here. You can see the little green light there. That means it has juice too. That is doing the boost. And check it out. So I'm just gonna back it up a little bit here. Let me get out the area so you know I'm not doing smoke and mirrors. I'm gonna yank it. So watch this. So right now it's about 68, 88, 89. Watch. Boom, 104. I didn't do anything. You saw that difference? Look at that. It's 104 right now, negative 104. And it was what, 80, 89. So let's plug it back in. The red thing's up. Back to 92. It's still doing its flashing thing too. If you look at it, it's flashing red, green right there. Now it's green. So there's the antenna. I'm at 85, 86, 85. Make sure that's up. That's green. So it's flipping around 85, 89. Guys ready? Let's do it. Let's unplug. 101. So it's unplugged and it dropped to 101. And I'm just gonna let it run a little bit, make sure it's not because it's just coincidence I'm unplugging things or whatever. All right. So that's about it. I wanted to show some evidence to you guys that is actually working, that actually does something, versus me just saying, hey, it sounds better, it seems faster, like that. I wanted to show proof positive that the signal is actually improved with this product. So in my next video for this product, I like to be out in the desert to do a true test. I promise to be out there. It's been a while since I've gone off-roading, and Jesse's been antsy for me to take him. So that's our next trip, is we're gonna get out there, hopefully find a weaker signal, so that way I can test this product. So I'm gonna put the link of this product in the description below. And I appreciate everybody coming to this channel. I hope to see you guys soon. Peace out, guys.